and welcome to the demo of the XPatch 32 path page. First, let's access the path page. Notice that the help, which I have displayed on the right hand side, is an in contacts help and changes with the page. Not only that, as I highlight the column on the left, it changes to show the path select key functions. These keys enable and disable individual casts, as shown here. They can be mono or stereo. Here's a stereo path. Here is a mono path. I can make it two stereo paths simply by hitting the S key. Or I can right click here and disable it here. Okay, what else can we do on this page? Well, there are up to 32 individual paths available. These can be combined to make up to 16 stereo paths, and if we run out, let me know, because I want to keep everybody happy. You can predefine paths within this page. The first thing that happens when you do a new path, then anything which is defined as an insert will be displayed, and anything defined as normaled within the equipment page, let me just go in front, here are the inserts, here they are normaled, will be connected. Here we can insert a unit, so let's insert something E900. This is now we have this path here, stereo, going to E900, going. If we wish to send it somewhere else as well, we can just add it at the end. Let's add a new destination. I will add the front panel headphone monitoring. Here we go. And now it will be routed to the headphone monitoring at the same time. We can convert this to two monos by hitting the S, or back to two stereos here. Let's move on to here. We can bypass individual units, not the first unit, that would be silly, so we can bypass this. We can swap it with the next. So for instance, let's unbypass it. That was the B for unbypass, and then swap with next with the N, and now it's that way around, or swap it back again. We can even swap the sides here by swap the channels, so X for exchange channels. And notice how the left is now going to the right, and right is now going to the left. Let's exchange them back again. Now, as you will be aware, every unit has input and output gain. To adjust the gains, just simply press the G key, which will enable the gains. And now you can scroll the gain up and down within the window. Anyone you like. Now on this first unit, this is a source. There's only one gain, it's a source gain. Let's reset this to normal. R for reset, goes back to 0. Here, because this is the source gain of here. Now this has an output gain, but since it's feeding into the next unit, which also has a source gain, there's very little point in providing both. So only the source gain is available for easy adjustment. And I can reset it again like this. If these units were set to -10, for instance, within the equipment rack, then it will reset them to +14 or -14 as required. Okay. Now then, let's insert something else in here. Let's have a look at this insert menu. Okay, the palette, sources, devices, destinations. So you want to insert a device here. Notice it's bypassed at the moment. It's stereo. We can do all the normal swap, delete, next functions here. But let's put an F760 in there. Now we can enable this like so. If, for instance, we were to set this here, the destinations to be 1 and 2, in other words, oops, sorry, I've done that wrong, 1 and 2. Where's 1 and 2? There it is, 1 and 2. Store 1 and 2. When we enable this one, it will disable that one because you cannot have two sources feeding the same output. And enabling this one disables the previous one. As I say, the help is in context. It's available in English and French, and there is a user version which you can edit and will automatically update when you save, when you exit the program.